Adding item level costs to a budget. When you start making your specs, if you include the price per unit and the quantity in your individual specs, that info will auto pull into the budget tab here. Changes you make to the prices and quantity in the budget tab will also reflect back in the spec window. So these two tabs are linked. If you need to make a change to a quantity with a lock, you just need to assign the change in the spec itself because you've assigned the quantity by area, so it's locked. To add an item level cost, go to Add, select Item Level Cost, something like installation perhaps, or anything you need to add a different price for each item in the list. You can choose between percentage and dollar amount, and you can toggle between the two after you've created this. And you can choose whether to add this cost to the unit cost without the markup, or if you've added a markup in this project, it'll give you the option to add the percentage on top of the markup. You can also choose whether or not this item level cost is taxable, and you can then create a tax in the budget tab. Now that I've created this new column, you can come in here and assign a different amount for each item in the list. You can also toggle between the dollar and percentage amounts and change as needed. You'll see the list over here on the right side. The installation line item is being updated live as you add things to your column. The T means taxable, and when you add a tax from this list, you'll see the updates will come over here on the right, including the new tax.